The U.S. Naval Academy's Bancroft Hall is named for the 17th Secretary of the Navy, George Bancroft, who founded the Naval School, the precursor to today's academy at Fort Severn in 1845. The school opened on October 10th with only 50 students and continued to grow and evolve over the next 171 years. There are now more than 4,000 midshipmen who live in Bancroft Hall. It is the single largest dormitory in the world and contains approximately 1,700 rooms, 4.8 miles of corridors, and 33 acres of floor space. All the basic facilities that midshipmen need for daily living are found in the hall, including dining facilities, barber and cobbler shops, uniform tailoring services, and the midshipmen's store. Construction of Bancroft Hall began in 1901. The architect, Ernest Flagg, intended the ornate building to be the hub of the Academy's major ceremonial activities. Memorial Hall, in particular, is a ceremonial space dedicated to those graduates who have died in military operations. Although the building has changed over the years, the spirit and traditions of the U.S. Naval Academy withstand the test of time.